The platform starting signal in the up direction at Bidston Station Platform 2 is a 3-aspect controlled signal Mike Lima 578, accompanied by a position light for movement towards the stabling siding. Maximum speed 15 miles per hour. This is Bidston West Junction. Maximum speed 45 miles per hour. We are on the up West Kirby line. To your left is a signal ahead warning board. The next signal is a 3-aspect controlled signal Mike Lima 574, accompanied by a position light signal and route indicator. When the position light is cleared with indication W, a route is provided towards the Washer Road. When cleared with indication SG, a route is provided towards the up and down through siding. This is Bidston East Junction. The advanced warning indicator ahead is not applicable to trains routed to the up and down through siding. Maximum speed 15 miles per hour. Ahead is a stop board. Authority to proceed is required from the shunter. All facing and trailing points in the depot are hand operated, and drivers must proceed cautiously, ensuring that the road ahead is set for the authorised movement. We are now on the arrival and departure line. The next signal is ground-mounted position light signal Mike Lima 1528 with route indicator. When cleared with indication SG, a route is provided towards the back road. When cleared with indication L, a route is provided towards the loop, platform 1. Maximum speed 15 miles per hour. We are entering Birkenhead North Station, platform 1.